Hello, I wanted to show you guys this new feature with iOS 15 on Apple iPhones and the iPads. So if you have any handwritten text or even just printed text that you want to, let's say, copy and paste or whatever from it, so you don't have to retype it or whatever. So let me show you how this works. It does not work too well. This is what I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's say if you have this here on two different lines, you're going to hover over this with your camera like this, okay? And you see these lines on the edges of this text in yellow. That means it's detecting text there that it can try to copy, okay, and read. So I'm going to hit these lines here in the bottom right of the screen here, the three lines. What that's going to do there is it detects it. It's kind of blurry there. But you can then copy that without saving a picture to your camera roll. You copied it, and then we can go here into Google, paste it. See how that's not correct, though? It's multiple lines and stuff. It just did not read it right. My handwriting or something. I don't know, but it did not work well. So, how reliable is this? I do not know. But sometimes it works well. So that's what I want to show you. So if we go back and we do let's say just this bottom one. Okay, it's got the lines around it. So we hit this, we're going to just focus on that part. Hit that icon. There we go. Copy it. It's a single line. Paste it. Yep. So it worked. So try it out. It might work fine for you guys. But I just want to show you guys how to do it. You don't have to take an actual picture. You can just copy it without creating a picture in your camera roll. So let me know if you have any questions, and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel for more of these. Thanks for watching today.